Good morning, grade 3. Welcome back to grade 3 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? Let's start a new chapter today, chapter 11, money. So, what do you mean by money? What do we use money for? We use money to pay for different goods and services. We may deposit money as savings. We may lend money to or borrow money from other people or other institutions. So, we can say money is a medium of exchange. The value or price of an item or service is paid using money. And money can include notes and coins. See, what do you mean by currency? You might have heard this word before. Currency means the system of money used within a country. And which is the currency in India? The rupee is the official currency in India. And who issues these currencies? In India, the Reserve Bank of India is the authority for issuing the currency. Now, we will see some commonly used denominations of notes. Denominations indicate the value of a note or a coin. So, here you can see the commonly used denominations of notes in India. See, in your textbook also you can see some pictures, but you might feel that the design is a bit different. So, those are the old notes or coins, and these are the new designs for the notes and coins. So, these are the commonly used denominations of notes in India. Here you can see the rupees 500 note. Here you can see the 100 rupee note. Here it is rupees 50 note. Here it is rupees 2000 note. Here it is rupees 200 note, and this is the rupees 10 note. Now, we will see some commonly used denominations of coins. You can see both sides of the coins here. So, here this is the 1 rupee coin, the 2 rupee coin, the 5 rupee coin and the 10 rupee coin. Now, there is a symbol for the rupee. So, this is the symbol for rupee. Let's see how we can write this symbol. First, it is written like the Hindi letter Ra, then a horizontal line. I'll show you one more time like this. This is the symbol for the rupee. Now, here we have the let's record exercise. You can see the exercise in page number 146 of your textbook. Let me read the question to you. Circle the coins that match the given sum. One has been done for you. So, here you are given an amount. The first one is rupees 5, and here a few coins are shown. You have to circle the coins which will add up to the given amount. So, here the first one, it is rupees 5. So, here they have circled rupees 2. It's a 2 rupee coin here. A 2 rupee coin, a 2 rupee coin. So, 2 plus 2, it is 4. Then a 1 rupee coin. So, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Now, you have to circle the coins which have the equivalent value of the amount given in the question. So, let's start working out these questions. So, question B, here it is given as rupees 10. So, the first coin here you can see here is a 5 rupee coin. So, let's circle that one. The next is a 2 rupee coin. So, 5 plus 2, it will be 7. Then one more 2 rupee, that is 7 plus 2, it will be 9 in total, and we need one more rupee to add up to rupees 10. So, let's circle a 1 rupee coin also. So, now the total is 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1, that is equal to rupees 10, which is the amount given in the question. Now, let's see the next question. Question C, this is in page number 147. The amount given there is rupees 20. The first coin shown there is a 10 rupee coin. So, let's circle that one, 10 rupee, then a 5 rupee, which means it is 10 plus 5, 15, then a 2 rupee coin. So, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 2, it is 17, then again a 2 rupee coin, that will become 19, and we need one more rupee to add up to rupees 20. So, let's circle 1 rupee coin shown here. So, 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to rupees 20. Now, the next one, rupees 50 is given there, and the first 4 coins you see here are 10 rupee coins. There are 4 10 rupee coins, and these will add up to how much? 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 into 4, that is equal to 40 rupees. So, these 4 coins, these 4 10 rupee coins add up to rupees 40, and now let's circle one 5 rupee coin. So now it is 40 plus 5, 45, then again a 5 rupee coin. Now it is 50. 40 plus 5 plus 5, it is equal to rupees 50, the amount given in the question. So I hope you are clear with these questions. Now let's move on to the next exercise. Let me read the question to you. Count the number of notes and coins of each denomination and write in the space provided. One has been done for you. So here in this question, you can see the picture of a few notes and coins given here. At the bottom, you can see spaces are provided to write the number of each note or coin. For example, rupees 500 notes. You can see two 500 rupee notes here. So they have written the number 2 here. Similarly, count the number of each type of note or coin and you can write the number in the blanks given there or the spaces provided there. So you do this as an activity. Please pause this video, finish writing the numbers and then come back. Hope you are done with that activity. Now let's see the correct numbers. So the first one is already given there, rupees 500 notes. There are two 500 rupee notes there. Rupees 100 notes. There are 4 rupees 100 notes. And rupees 50 notes, they are 3 in number. Rupees 20 notes, 3 in number. Rupees 10 notes, 2 in number. Rupees 10 coins, they are 2 in number. Rupees 5 coins, 4 in number. Rupees 2 coins, 2 in number. And rupees 1 coins, 3 in number. So I hope you got all the numbers correct. Now let's move on to exercise. So in page number 148, you can see the exercise 11.1. The first question, count and write the total money as shown. So here in the first question, you can see 3 10 rupee notes are given and 4 5 rupee notes are given. You have to add up all these and then you have to write the equivalent amount in the space here. So let's do this. 3 10 rupee notes, which is equal to 3 into 10, which is equal to rupees 30. And then there are 4 5 rupee coins. So that is 4 into 5, which is equal to rupees 20. Now you have to add the total amount. So what is the total? Rupees 30 plus rupees 20. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. So what is the equivalent amount here? The equivalent amount here is rupees 50. Now let's do the next one. Question B. In question B, you can see 4 50 rupee notes are given and 1 10 rupee note is given. So 4 50 rupee notes means how much? 4 into 50, which is equal to rupees 200. And there is 1 10 rupee note. So that means it is 1 into 10, which is equal to rupees 10. Now you have to add these two. So 200 plus 10 is equal to rupees 210. So the equivalent amount here is equal to rupees 210. So I hope you understood these two questions. There are two more questions, question 1C and 1D under the same question that you have to do yourself. Now let's move on to question number 2. The prices of some items in a shop are given below. You can see the picture of a few items given and the price of each item is also shown there. And there are 3 questions given below that. Let's go through each question one by one. Question A. Adil has, see there are 2 10 rupee notes. Does he have enough money to buy a cupcake? So let's see how much does a cupcake cost. A cupcake costs rupees 18 and we have to check if Adil has enough money to buy a cupcake. So what is the amount of money that he has with him? He has 2 10 rupee notes with him, which means he has 2 into rupees 10, that is equal to rupees 20 with him. And a cupcake costs only 18 rupees. So does he have enough money to buy it? Yes, Adil has enough money to buy a cupcake. So let's see the next question. Question B. John has rupees 100 with him. How much money is left with John if he buys a milk packet and an apple? So he has rupees 100 with him, and what is the amount that he will get as a balance if he buys a packet of milk and an apple. So let's first see what is the cost of a milk packet and an apple. So a milk packet costs how much? Rupees 38, and an apple costs rupees 15. So what is the total cost of an apple and a milk packet? Together they will cost how much? 8 plus 5 is 13. Then 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, it's 5. So together they will cost rupees 53. And what if he pays 100 rupees? He will get a balance, right? So let's find out what is the balance amount. So let's subtract this 53, the total cost of the two items, from rupees 100. So rupees 100 minus rupees 53. So that is equal to 0 minus 3 you cannot do. So let's borrow from the next place. So this part becomes 9 and this part becomes 10. So here it is 10 minus 3 7, and 9 minus 5 it is 4. So the balance amount he will receive, or he will be left with an amount of rupees 47. So let's write rupees 47 here. Now let's see the next question. Question C. Nisha has two 10 rupee notes with her, which means she has an amount of rupees 20. 10, 20. Now, how much more money does Nisha need to buy a cupcake and a packet of apple juice? So, let's first check what is the cost of a cupcake and a packet of apple juice. So, a cupcake costs rupees 18 and a packet of apple juice costs rupees 17. So, what is the total cost? The total cost will be, see, let's add them. 8 plus 7 equals 15, a carryover. Now 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3 here. So the total cost will be 35. But Nisha has only rupees 20 with her. So how much more money does she need? How do we find that? Let's subtract the amount she has with her from the total cost. So that would be equal to rupees 35 minus rupees 20. So this is the cost of the two items and this is the amount she has with her. So subtracting these two will get the amount as rupees 15. So Nisha will need rupees 15 more to buy these two items. So let's write rupees 15 here. So I hope you're clear with these three questions. Now let's move on to the next question, question number 3. Complete the table by filling in the missing amounts. One has been done for you. And the first one, question A. Here in this column you can see the amount paid. This is the cost of the item and the balance received. So here the first one, the amount paid is rupees 500 and the actual cost of the item was rupees 200. And what is the balance received? The balance received is, see, 300 rupee notes. 3 into 100 equals 300. So the amount paid was rupees 500 and the cost of the item was rupees 200 and the difference between them. So when the buyer paid an amount of 500, the cost of the item was only 200. So he got a balance of 500 minus 200, which is equal to rupees 300. So the balance received here was rupees 300. Now in the next question, you are not given what is the amount paid there, but you are given the cost of the item as rupees 65 and the balance amount is also given there. How much is it? 10 3 rupee notes, which means it is 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30 plus a 5 rupee note. So here the balance amount received was rupees 35 and the cost of the item was rupees 65. So how do we find out the amount paid? See, to get a balance of rupees 35, the amount paid should be more than the cost of the item, right? So the amount paid will be the cost of the item plus the balance received. So what is it? What is the amount paid? Rupees 65 plus rupees 35. So that would be equal to a total amount of rupees 100. So what is the amount paid in this case? Here the amount paid will be equal to rupees 100. So the cost of the item here was only rupees 65. The buyer paid rupees 100 and he got rupees 35 as the balance amount. So I hope you're clear with these two questions. There are 3 more questions in the same exercise that you have to do yourself. Now children, you can go through these topics through pages 146 to 149 and you have to complete questions 1C, 1D, 3C, 3D, 3E of exercise 11.1. You can work out these questions in your textbook itself, and after the exercise you can see the value education question in a purple box in page number 149. You please go through that question also and do accordingly. So children, that's all for today. Hope the concepts we learned today are clear to you. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.